Today we have an unboxed, brand new OEM Toyota 2JZ. GTE, not baby
People that are gonna be like, oh, it's a GE.
It's a GE. No, I think this is a special moment because this is kind of the behind the scenes of something not a lot of people see. And back in the day with the crate engine program, we have a Toyota crate engine, a 2JZ, and I know I've said it 5 times already, but I can't believe that we have a crate engine 2JZ. Okay, Henry.
All right.
This is what we're looking at.
Here we go.
Brand new, with the markers still on it. Look at that. It's like we're in 1994.
Man, it's like life is good, you know? This is how you know life is good. I can just like stare at this all day.
Memphis.
Y'all notice about the 2Js? They're kind of opposite. So
How do you mean?
they'll go like your oil passage will run this way or 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 this way.
Right.
And typically you want to favor the thickness side the most, like this spot.
Right.
You keep going this spot, but usually some will go this spot.
Huh.
I just like going on the inside edge.
So there is method to the actual going the direction.
I wouldn't overthink it, but just me personally. And then I'll like go over and go every
Okay.
like just close every
every loop.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, you don't want to stay too much in there. You'll just keep piling up RTV.
Yeah, I was gonna ask if you went around the whole thing again, but makes sense to just go around all the loops.
Well, you want to keep a smooth rhythm. You don't want to keep like circling around and shit like that. Like it's just easier to go back and just do this.
Yeah. Okay.
Just fill it in. You know what I mean? And
going ahead and actually
do a circle
messing up
on it.
your.
You know what I mean?
You're also wasting
less
when you do it this way. So I fucked up.
Is your vloggity vlog?
Yeah.
He fucked up.
Alan was really excited about how well this was going until he turned around and looked that this was a returnless upper oil pan. And look how nicely sealed it is.
Oh my god.
My life is a joke. And it's all my fault.
You'll be alright.
But it's alright.
You'll be okay.
We'll fix it. Because I have an Alan. Okay. It's got a head.
Brand new 2J, my guy.
You got 2 10s for each one. Open it up.
Yeah.
Big moment right here. Big moment.
Yeah, I got you some wash here. The bolts are over there.
Not really. This is just to keep dirt out of it. Because he doesn't have.
Alan, how do you really feel?
You really want to know?
I could just stare at this all day.
No, these are clean, Henry.
Can I get that again? Hey.
Bro, easy like that.
It's the shit out of the fucking deal.
I was gonna say.
Look at it.
It's really not that bad.
No, it's awesome. You love it.
Do I?
Yeah.
Do I work here?
Yeah, literally. I really don't know where we would be without Alan. Nowhere close.
Alright, boys.
Look at it.
Did you business?
Not on purpose. Alright, so I stayed a little late to just kind of like get some things together and mock it up. But check it out. It's just hanging right now. I gotta change that, but yeah. Trying to get this relocation put together, but it's I need to turn it some, and I can't, so I'll leave it like that for now. But yeah, where we at. Still a bit more to go, but we're getting there.
I am ready for you.
Hey guys, I'm Henry. You know me.
Inside voices.
I'm sorry. I apologize. We're here. It's a big day. I'm gonna be putting the engine in today. It's been a little while since I've done an update, so figured let's go ahead and do that. Trying to walk you guys through as much as I can. So disassembled the old clutch or the old pressure plate in order to obviously got a new throw-up bearing. Yeah, clutch release bearing. Same thing.
Same shit.
Yeah. Every time you're going into the trans, you have the engine apart, you have the trans out. Silly not to go ahead and do a new clutch release bearing, along with a new pilot bearing, which I went ahead and drove 2 hours to go get today because I forget a lot of things. In order to actually take this system apart, I did it earlier. I can't show you how, but I can walk you through it quick. There's a snap ring right here. You can tell. You want to make, you're going to want to make note about how the order, about how these rings go on. You're going to go ahead and take any sort of tool, go ahead and spread them, pull it out. Then the whole thing will drop through, and you'll be left with this side. You'll have to pull that snap ring out in order to, that snap ring right here, in order to pull throw bearing out. Whatever. Then once that's back on, you can go ahead and put this whole housing back on. And then once it goes back on, you're going to want to do the thicker, I think it's called the main washer. And then it goes the wave ring, which is like the wavy one. And then the snap ring. After that, it's easy. So go going into the trans. Pick this up.
This might need to be greased. I would find that out first, because it's a mating surface, metal on metal. I see that there's some residual right here on the ends.
Yeah, it should probably be
I would look into that.
Probably grease.
Yeah.
I don't have any grease.
I was just saying. Well, there's an advance literally right at the street. So.
Yes, we'll go to. Make another.
And we'll go back to fucking advance.
Just to show how to do it, this would go on here. Push that onto the shaft back there.
Through this little window.
The window, you're going to go ahead and...
The slave cylinder fork. Gotta move it up a little bit.
Move that up. Nice to have a team doing this. It's helpful.
Right.
You can get it around that...
She's on. Press it back.
That bitch.
Yeah, I mean, look. You can move forward as well.
You guys get the point. And then the clutch would go on. And I don't do it the normal way, mostly because I don't have a clutch alignment tool here. And honestly, I would do it this way, either way, because it's the way I know doing it. I go ahead and I put that on here. And then flywheel goes on to the engine. And through the window, I go one at a time. I have Noah spin the crank, so I can go one at a time to here, put a bolt in here, tighten a little bit, spin, next bolt, spin, next bolt, and tighten a little bit at a time so you don't go all at once. And that's simple. So we'll go ahead and start doing that. Jack will get the B-roll. We'll go put that pilot bearing in front of here, which goes in between the flywheel and the engine, rear main seal. And then it's go time. Then once the engine's on the trans, I'm putting that bitch in.
I mean,
That's pretty neat.
Put pressure on this.
All right, everybody, we just greased this thing up.
Is there any orientation that needs to go?
No, it slides right onto the spline. Well, actually, it doesn't touch the spline itself, but there's a cylinder that it just slides onto.
This back part?
Mm-hmm. And I'm just gonna go ahead and... Okay, too far up? It's gonna copyright us.
Yeah, literally.
No, it will. It's the worst. So
There you go.
If I got copyrighted,
Give me pressure on here.
Yeah. Cool. That's a working.
She's in.
It's a working thing.
And right there, you can see the little. This is where the slave cylinder goes. And the little solenoid just pushes this arm right here, and we'll just engage or disengage the clutch, and then the force from the pressure plate will make it return to its regular position. We're good.
Yes, sir. Hey guys, ghetto camera setup, but putting the engine in. So take a look.
Yeah, that's good.
Poops.
Yeah, a little
Okay.
over half. That was like 60%.
Okay. All right. Well, it took a while for us. It's 11. I've driven 3 hours to buy parts today. We had an hour, at least hour dinner because of the
At a
sub-
motherfucking Subway, dude.
the
No one
Subway
will ever
lady
believe
took
us.
A while. I don't.
I've never seen a less streamlined Subway in my entire
It was
life.
really
Let's
bad.
put it that
We
way.
paid a lot.
It was a lot.
It was a lot. But here, we're here. Here we are.
Yeah. And everything's fucking bolted together. We got her all on.
We've just been having fun, honestly.